We will install SAP Build Apps on a trial account. You must create a trial account on the US East Virginia AWS region, not in Singapore. Once it is created, go into the trial global account. Go to the boosters, which are a set of wizards to make installing services easier. Search for the SAP Build Apps booster and start it. After BTP checks entitlements, click Next. You will select to install the service on the current tenant, since you cannot create another Cloud Foundry environment in the trial account. You do not have to do anything on the next screens except click Next, and then click Finish to start the installation. When it all finishes, you can navigate to your tenant and see all the services installed. But before you can start using Build Apps, you must activate your new user that was created automatically in a new custom identity provider. It is this user in this IDP that you must log in with to use SAP Build Apps. An activation email is sent to your email address. Just click the activation button and define a password for the user. After the password is set, if you click Continue, you'll get the admin screen for your new custom IDP. You don't need to bother with this now. Navigate back to your trial account. If you check the users, you'll see one for you in the custom IDP, and you will see it already automatically has the Build Apps role collections. So go back to the list of service instances in your tenant and click the little icon next to SAP Build Apps to open the service. And since you have the role collections, you will be able to create an application project. Congratulations.